Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and to this brand new video. Ask any self-improvement expert for advice and you will surely get the suggestion to start journaling. You tried in the past but it didn't work. You didn't know where to start. Don't worry, in this video I am sharing a complete step-by-step guide for beginners about journaling, answering all your queries and confusions, so buckle up. And let me know in the comments about your journaling habit or if you have any specific questions about it. In the end, I will tell you 5 powerful questions I used to write their answer in my journal when I was just starting. So stay tuned. First things first, what does it actually mean to do journaling? The answer is the simple act of documenting your thoughts, feelings, emotions, your insights about anything or more. It can be done in traditional way of writing using pen and paper, or it can be digital as well. Whatever is your preferred way of writing will work. Next, we need clarity on why journaling. It's a cheaper alternative to therapy for venting and releasing our mental blocks, and it significantly improves one's writing skills. Some other awesome benefits of journaling include increased self-awareness, discovery about our own feelings, more emotional intelligence and emotional regulation, stress relief, reduced anxiety and depression, and many cognitive benefits such as mental clarity, improved memory, and critical thinking. Okay, so you got the idea. Now the million-dollar question, what to actually write about? Maybe you think writing is not my thing, but hold on, it's simpler than you think. And anyone can do it. The easiest method that I personally follow is free writing, aka brain dump journaling. You just put your pen on paper or fingers on keyboard and let your brain go wherever it wants. Don't worry about the rules and regulations or make it perfect, etc. It's your safe space, it won't be graded, nobody will judge you, so just write without any fears or restrictions. Now coming on to another important point related to journaling, which is reflection. You can always come back to read what you wrote some time ago to reflect on your thought process. It helps you to be more aware of your own unconscious feelings and emotions. Now there are many tips and advices to help you in journaling more effectively and get the maximum benefits, but at the end you have to choose what works best for you. So I am sharing some ideas for your help. Feel free to move between the chapters of this video that resonate with your style the most. Different types of journaling. Number 1, bullet journal. It can be specially printed or structured by hand, divided into rows and columns to help you keep track of your habits or yearly, monthly and weekly goals. Number 2, daily routine journal. Write down about your day if something unusual happened or any memorable days that you want to document. Number 3, planning or organizer journal. Here you can plan your regular tasks or checklists, etc. Number 4, finances journal. To track down your expenses and you can write about your income or investment plans as well. Number 5, gratitude journal. You daily write a few things you are thankful for to develop the habit of gratefulness and positive thinking. Number 6, goals, vision or dream journal. Here you write about your dreams or your future wants and desires. Number 7, creativity journal. It can be different for different people depending upon whatever creativity habit one has, such as art journal, diet or fitness journal, food or cooking journal, travel journal or poetry journal, etc. Number 8, learning or note-taking journal. If you constantly learn new things from books or by attending different sessions, you can keep their records in it. Number 9, journal for autobiography. This is my personal suggestion and my personal favorite, to document your whole life from start till now and write down all the ups and downs you went through in life. This gives you so much clarity on life events and give you faith on how things are ordered in your life. Number 10, success journal. Keep a journal listing all your achievements in life and the challenges you overcame. This is really helpful to pull out as a reminder of your self-worth during your tough times. Next, I am giving you some tips on how to start and be consistent. Decide the time in your daily schedule whenever you have minimum distractions and stick to the time to maintain consistency. Start by writing only 5 to 10 minutes daily to develop a habit. Keep the journal near your side so that you do not forget about it. The most important thing here is enjoy the process. Make it fun. You can decorate your desk or journal, anything that gives you nice feeling and a happy vibe. Maybe light a candle, put flowers on your desk, have a cup of coffee and your favorite piece of chocolate to enjoy while you reflect on some topics. Again, whatever works best for you. Consider it a me time rather than pushing yourself against your true will. If you continue the habit of journaling for at least 4 to 6 months, it can really change your life. Now for the starting days, you can write a question on the top of the page to help you come up with ideas to start writing. Like you see on Facebook page, what's on your mind? Now I am sharing 5 powerful questions from my journal which helped me in retrospection during my starting days. Question number 1. When was the last time I felt happy, sad, excited or hurt? What makes me feel that way? Question number 2. What are my unconscious habits? For example, suddenly getting angry or overreacting. Why I get upset when XYZ thing happens. Question number 3. What are my aspirations in life? Do I really value those things or is it social conditioning? Question number 4. Who are the people I idealize the most in my life? What is it in them that I feel most inspiring? Question number 5. What are the things that are hindering me in achieving what I want? And what can I do to remove those obstacles? That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos here for book recommendations on other topics. See you in the next video. Bye for now.